What's going on, guys? My name is Beltonaldo and welcome back to the channel. Today I will be opening up 3 Pokemon Sword and Shield Astral Radiance packs. If you haven't already, hit the like button and subscribe while you're at it so you don't miss any of my new videos. But anyway, let's get into it. Come on. Come on. Almost there. Alright, there's the code. I looked up the card trick, it's 4 cards, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Lightning Energy, Hisuian Electrode, Gardenera's Vigor, I don't know how to say that, Temple of Sinnoh, Hisuian Basculin, Hisuian Voltorb, Glame's Meow, Swinub, Chatot, Misdreavus, Leafeon. Alright. Second pack. Come on. Open up for me. There we go. That card. I don't remember that. Code for anyone who wants to play the game. Shit. Didn't do the card trick. Fire Energy. Hisuian Electrode again. What? Mantine. Coolfish. These are some... I have most of these. Purugly and Regieleki. He's got a legendary. I got a legendary. Means absolutely nothing. Last pack for today. One, two, three, 4. Fire Energy again. Already got that card. Whiscash. Temple of Sinnoh again. I've had this in all 3 packs. Bergmite, Rufflet, Ponyta, Chatot, Bronzor, Hisuian Basculin, and Vespiquen. That is all I got for today. I got a legendary. I got Regieleki. But yeah, that's about all there is to do for today. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like, comment down below if I should do more of this stuff, and I'll see you guys next week for another video, hopefully.